Hello, my name's David Tubshin, and for my project, I made an anti-smile robot. Basically, what it does is it uses a camera to track your face using a software called OpenCV, and if you smile, it's going to shoot you in the face. And uh, basically, I'm going to play a quick video right now just to show off what OpenCV really does. Quickly get it up here. Share the screen. There we go. As you can see here, oh, whoops. There we go. But as you can see, basically what OpenCV is currently doing right now is it tracks my, oh yeah, nice face by the way. It tracks my face as you see, and it draws a small box. And the way the turret actually targets me is by getting the center coordinate here. I get to track that using the turret and shoot myself whenever it detects a smile or whenever it thinks it detects a smile. Quickly stop sharing. Oh yes, another video I need to show you. The turret itself consists of two servos to get X and Y axis movement. It was 3D printed and 3D modeled by me. Let me quickly get this video also up and running. Screen. Go. And here is a quick program I used to show off all the axes, as well as the little laser I put on the top to demonstrate the shooting capabilities. There you go. You can see that. There we go. Basically, why did I do this for 3 weeks? The whole reason why I even chose this project was because throughout my life, there weren't enough people who didn't smile. And to stop people from smiling and to introduce more people who don't smile, I had to associate smiling with pain and suffering. And that's basically what this robot accomplishes. How does this work? Basically, the Raspberry Pi is a very small, for the main processing, the whole face tracking and smile detection, I used a Raspberry Pi, which is a mini computer, and using OpenCV, software created by Intel, I can use various algorithms to actually do the whole face tracking and also the smile detection. And from there, I can use serial communication, which is a method computers and electronics talk to each other, and tell the Arduino Uno, which is my servo controller controlling this turret, to say like, hey, move the turret a little bit to the right and maybe look up a bit and then shoot the laser. So far, while I was working on that project, the most challenging part of the entire thing was getting that facial tracking software to properly function correctly, especially on the Raspberry Pi, because sometimes Linux can get a bit iffy, and it can be a bit uncomfortable to use. Linux being the operating system on the Raspberry Pi. This project taught me many things. Like it introduced me to the world of computer vision. How to actually use like Haar cascades, like the algorithms to track my face, how to like actually kind of model a little bit. I learned some new techniques online. I learned how to actually get serial communication running. I also learned the basics of Linux, as well as a new programming language called Python, which I wasn't used to until now. Any questions?
Super cool.
Oh, thank you.
I have a question.
Mm-hmm.
So if you were to work, what are your next steps?
Get this thing off the Raspberry Pi and get it on my PC. Because the thing is, the Raspberry Pi is so, it can only go so fast. And if I hook it up to my PC, I don't have to deal with that less than 1 frame per second video buffer, and I can just have it be quick and snappy and shoot anyone really quickly.
Awesome. Great job.
Did you have any inspirations for this project?
Oh, yes. Michael Reeves. Search him up and look up his YouTube channel. He's really interesting. He has a whole bunch of stuff that's really funny. A lot of it ends up just tasering himself or tasering other people, but you know, it's really good. It's really fun. Just watch his videos.